Hi, it's Alex at Mobile Homes Factory Direct. Hey, today I want to go over financing. I have plenty of folks that are emailing me, calling me, and going online and chatting with me and asking about financing. Uh, and so I wanted to take a minute and talk about that. So the first thing to know, we do not provide in-house financing. We use 6 different lenders that we have the tools to send them your information and provide you with the loan. So we do not determine the terms that they're gonna provide for you. A lot of folks sometimes, I feel the frustration because they're talking to me and they said, "Well, why do you need so much money?" And they think that I'm the one telling them. They think that I'm the one telling them and trying to make some more money for the store, because I tell them, well, instead of 5,000, you're gonna need 9,000. But at that point, I have already sent it to the bank, and the bank is saying, "Hey, we need 10,000. We need $10,000 to lower the risk on this deal for it to make sense for us." So I wanted to clear that up, make sure that everyone knows we use outside financing, we use other lenders to provide the loans so that we can sell these homes. Now, the lenders are the ones that determine the down payment, the term, the interest rates, and sometimes they even regulate the price that we can sell the home. So that's there's special circumstances for that. And then also we have these different lenders that if there's a certain situation, like if you don't have a social, if you don't have any credit at all, we'll send you to a specific lender. If it's an equity deal, like if you have a lot of money down, you have 50% down, you're buying a $60,000 house and you have $40,000 down, well, we're going to send you to a specific bank because we know that they're going to give us a better deal than the other bank. So, there's certain banks that we're going to send because you're buying a home only, or another bank that you're buying land and home. There's another bank that we use for FHA loans. So, we work with different lenders. We just need the information from you provided to us so we can determine which lender to go with, which one's going to be the best lender to use. Now, as far as down payment, the more down payment you put, the more money you put down, the lower your monthly payment is going to be. Now, it provides you with a better deal because it shows the bank. You're basically saying to the bank, "Hey, look, here's $6,000, here's $10,000 down. I'm a financially stable person. I've been able for the last 2 or 3 years. I've been able to pay all my payments and put some money aside to save this $10,000 for a home that I want to own. So please lend me this money, at a good rate. Give me a good deal because I'm putting $10,000 down." So when you have some money down, that's what it's saying to the lender. It's saying, "Hey, I'm stable. I saved up this money. You should trust me with the $100,000 you're about to lend me, and be secure. Know that it's a low risk loan and that I'm going to pay you every single month." Now, if you want to get into the details, less than 600 credit score, we usually we will say 10 to 15% down of the purchase price of the home. If your credit score is above 600, you can do about 5% is what we can send it into the lenders for. Now, as far as your monthly payments, if you're browsing online and you look at a home and you see the price of it, if you want a ballpark, this is just a ballpark estimate, about 1% of the home's price. If the home is $60,000, well, then your payment's going to be about $600 a month. Now, that is only the principal and interest, and you still have to add on your taxes and your insurance. So that's just a general rule of thumb, 1% of the price of the home. Now, rates, rates can go anywhere from 5% to 19%. It really there's so many different factors that go into the rates. So that's the range I'm going to give you, that I've seen anywhere from 5% to 19%. Terms, the lower the term that you go, the months, the years, the better for you. The less interest that you pay on the loan, If you want to go longer to lower your monthly payment, you know, that's good too, but just know that you're going to pay a lot of interest over, you know, 23, 25 years. You know, that you know, the bank's going to determine that and ask you what you want to do. So those are a few things I wanted to cover. We have 6 different lenders that we use outside financing. We do not have in-house financing. Down payment, the more down payment you put, the lower your monthly payment is going to be. Payments are about 1% of the price. Rates range from 5 to 19%, and terms can go up to 25 years. But the shorter the term, the better deal for you, because the lower interest you pay. On the bottom of this video, I'm going to put a link for our pre-qualification application. So if you're looking for a home, that's one of the best things to get started, is to get a pre-approval from a bank, so you know exactly what your terms are going to be. It's not that exciting, and it's not fun when you start looking at houses and you fall in love with a $80,000-$90,000 house, but then you apply, and then I have to say, well, you only qualify for a $50,000 house, and it's that one over there that you really didn't like, you know, but let's go take a look at it anyway. So to prevent that, do the pre-qualification app, and we have an idea of where you stand. And if you like, we can also send it to the bank for you. So I'm going to put a link at the bottom. Fill it out. It's just some general information, first and last name. Make sure that you fill it out, your name on there as it appears on your driver's license. Pull out your driver's license just how it appears on your driver's license. Put it on the pre-qualification app. Phone, date of birth, social security number, all that stuff we're gonna need. Your most recent address of where you're living right now. Your employment, where are you working, and how long have you been there? And put the put your monthly income to the best of your ability. But one of the things that I like to ask up front, if you send this in, is send me your most recent paycheck stub, so I can know exactly how much that you're making. If you own or you need land, and the type of home that you're looking for, a single wide, double wide, land and home, modular home, bank repo, tiny home, and if you have a co-applicant. Remember, your co-applicant, they have to be a person that's going to be living with you in that home that you're going to buy. You know, you can't, if you're looking to get a home, you can't use Uncle Joe. Hey, Uncle Joe, can you help me buy a house? Because most likely Uncle Joe, you know, he's not living with you. So it has to be somebody that's going to live with you. If you're going to apply with your husband or your wife, put them on there. Or if you're going to apply with your brother can do it. Your father, you know, somebody that's going to live in the home with you. All right, and so I'm going to put the link on there. Make sure to click it, fill it out, send it to me, so we can get this started for you. We have the best deals in Texas. We're the #1 retailer in Texas, so we promise to give you the best deal and make it the easiest and best buying experience that you've ever had. Please call me if you have any questions. This is Alex at Mobile Homes Factory Direct, 210-383-3133. I look forward to helping you. 210-383-3133. Hope you have a beautiful day. Thank you.